Naniniwala din po ba kayo na kailangan natin ng multiple sources of income for us to retire young? Kaya ako after ng regular office work ko, pag-uwi ko sa bahay, meron pa akong 2 online job. At the same time, tinatapos ko yung mga songs dahil this time, I will be performing for a birthday surprise. Tapos salubong na rin sa Chinese New Year. Call time ko is 6 p.m. So, maaga akong umalis. At I made sure na makapag-set up ako during this time. You will notice na wala akong assistant dahil kung kaya naman para makatipid, edi ako na lahat. Mahirap din magpasweldo. We've been through businesses din before na nagsara dahil mahirap din yung pasweldo. Kailangan matansya mo talaga yung overhead ng bawat empleyado. Kaya tuloy-tuloy tayo hanggat merong client na naniniwala sa akin, hanggat merong client na gustong-gusto akong kunin to perform for their events. Talagang sobrang ligaya ko. Alam niyo ba yung difference ng income, wealth, at saka savings? Grabe, marami ako natutunan dahil sa kakapanood ko kay Chinkitan since 2017 yata or 2018 hanggang ngayon. Talagang marami talaga ako natututunan about good money mindset. Sabi nila is kahit gaano makalaki yung income mo, pero kung sobrang laki naman yung gastos mo, wala rin. You need to make sure na pag malaki income mo, hindi tataas yung lifestyle mo. Kaya ako hanggat maaari, yung lifestyle ko is nasa tamang-tama lang na I'm able to have savings at saka investments. We have to let our money grow. Kaya ako, hanggat maraming pumapasok na income, talagang kinukuha ko agad yan. Weddings, events, tapos meron pa tayong regular office work. Tapos may online job pa tayo, tsaka mga konting retail on the side. Napakasarap sa pakiramdam na pumapasok yung income. Although, mostly active income siya at saka konting passive income, hopefully in the future. Pag tapos ko na yung lahat ng mga kailangan kong bayaran, I would love to have an early retirement. Kasi yung mindset is kapag kaya mong bilhin yan ng cash, i-cash mo na. Kasi may hirap na maraming mortgages, maraming mga loans. Kung kaya mong i-cash mo na yan para wala kang nang iisipin. And going back, nakita niyo yung one-man band setup ko dyan. Magpe-perform ako dito sa the Harbor Park Residences sa Mandaluyong. They have around 60 to 80 guests. And the start of the show is around 8:30. And during this time, tapos na ako sa pag-sound check na make sure ko na okay yung speakers ko, yung guitar, yung microphone, tapos yung lahat ng instruments ko. And then the plan ng client namin is pag 8:30, akit kami sa rooftop to surprise our birthday celebrant. Ito na. Sound check. Sound check. Happy Here's a glimpse of my full performance. Yung client namin, pinili nila yung mga alternative music. Shoulder, for a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and then you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. See now. weddings and events, contact nyo lang po kami sa email namin and sa phone number. Andito lang po yan sa video. Elmer June, the one-man band from The Voice of the Philippines Season 2. At pagkatapos ng event, hindi natin gagastusin yung pera. Iipunin natin to at i-invest para lumago. Kasi naniniwala ako na hindi habang buhay bata tayo, hindi habang buhay may trabaho tayo, at hindi habang buhay magtatrabaho na lang tayo. Kaya you have to save for your retirement and invest for your future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.